Hello everyone, my name is Khadija Hamza, a member of the PT. These are the rest of my colleagues. We will be talking about Tesla and giving it a deep dive. This is the outline. We will, we will be touching on the overview of Tesla, what they do, when they were established, how they produce, how many countries they are in, their revenue and profit to date. We'll also be looking at the market entry strategy and how and the also we'll be looking at the how Tesla benefited from globalization, their past and present challenges, how they've mitigated these challenges. We'll be concluding as well as showing you our references. So on the overview of Tesla, Tesla is an energy and automobile company that was established in 2003 by Martin Eppard and Mark Techney in California. In 2024, Tesla ranked as one of the most valuable. Actually, they rank as the most valuable automotive brand in the world, according to Kantar. Tesla has footprints in 50 countries, which are in North America, South America, Asia, Europe, and the Middle East, according to Tesla in 2019. Their products range from electric vehicles, which are from the Model S, the initial model, and to the now Cybertruck, solar and green energy chargers for these their electric vehicles, as well as vehicle accessories and apparel. Tesla has just revenue of 97,690,000 by the end of 2024, which is a 1% increase from the previous year. The organization can be said to be a global organization, although they combined a series of models to as part of their strategy, which we will be looking at in a deeper way. We will have a deeper dive on this in the course of this presentation, and they have done tremendously well in the industry. They've encountered various challenges which they have risen from over time. And here we have a chart according to Statista of of the revenues they've made from the year 2008 up until 2024, and these numbers are in millions. Next.
Hi, I'm Manpreet and my student ID is 15903286. Let's talk about the market entry strategy used by the Tesla. Basically, Tesla was founded in 2003. After their establishment, they initially used the strategic phased market entry approach, that also known as the top-down approach, and primarily used the gradual market entry. And in 2004, Elon Musk joined as an investor, and later he became a CEO and the face and the face of Tesla. However, in 2008, they are starting with the Roadster, and by following the model of S, that is 2012. Apart from that, Tesla also used the direct sales model, that they directly sell to their customer through the online platform. And also they use the strategy to expand their market through the localization, and they focuses on the mass market expansion strategy also. Next, in internalization, they use the phase expansion model, combining the element of several international business model, that is the Uppsala model, born global model, and network model of internalization. Basically, these models are used by the company for their expansion for the internalization market. So the Tesla also used the Uppsala model. Like initially, Tesla exported the vehicles from the US to Europe, the China, before establishing the gigafactories in those regions. And after that, they used the bond model, but now currently they use the network model of the internalization, that is the global supplier and the customer network to facilitate the expansion. Actually, the network model is the process of a company. Internalization include the establishment, maintenance, and the development relationship with the network of participants. Next, uh, here are some Tesla's future internalization strategy that we should recommend that Tesla should focus on the hybrid approach, that is the rapid expansion and local market adaptations and cost efficiency, should strengthen its online sales model and expand into the new market without dealership, that is expanding direct to the customer model in region like Middle East and the Africa through online platform. Next.
Hello everyone, my name is Simranpreet Kaur and I am from Group 18 and my student ID is 1601937 and now I am going to talking about the globalization. As we know, globalization is very important in every business field to grow their business globally. So Tesla has experienced significant benefits from globalization, which has played a crucial role in their growth and success. The company's ability to leverage global opportunity has enabled it to expand its operations, access to international markets, and enhance its technological capabilities. Next slide. So let's talk about the benefits to Tesla of globalization. And the first one is access to global supply chain. Globalization has provided Tesla with the ability to source materials and components from wide range of countries. Globalization has allowed Tesla to access various suppliers and manufacturers worldwide. And the second one is expansion into international market. Tesla's ability to expand into international market has been significantly enhanced by globalization. The company has successfully entered regions such as Europe, China, and other parts of Asia. And the local production facilities such as Gigafactory in Shanghai allows Tesla to cater these markets more effectively. Next slide. Okay, the third benefit is global talent recruitment. The company's ability to recruit skilled engineers, researchers, and executives from various countries has been a key factor in the success. By fostering a diverse workforce, Tesla benefit from a wide range of prospective and experienced range of perspectives and innovation leadership and the fourth one is access to global capital market by attracting investment from a diverse group of international investors. The access to the global financial market had been product, and the company's ability to attract significant global capital has supported to ambitious growth plans. Next slide, please.
Okay, my name is David Uchenna Nwigwe, and my student ID is 16005790. I'll be talking about the past challenges, present challenges, and mitigation strategy. First of all, we will be looking at the past challenges. So from 2003 to 2015, Tesla has struggled with production inefficiency in its Fremont factory, having produced only 2,500 out of the initial amount of production that was being given to them to produce. Then we look at the financial sustainability. Tesla nearly went out of business in 2008, but they were saved anyways from a 40 million investment, and it was basically profitable, struggling with 2020, and reported that Tesla loses amounts to nearly $1 billion at the end of 2013. So then we look at the supply chain and battery limitation. Battery price and supply limitation tightly restrained Tesla's expansion during its initial years. Next slide, please. Then we look at the present challenges from 2016 to present. We can say that the production and quality control for Tesla experienced during the Model 3 ramp in 2017 to 2018 haul, that they were basically able to produce only 2020 Model 3S during the last week of Q1 2018 against a target of 2,500. Then increasing global competition, the electric vehicle industry became increasingly competitive with established automobile companies and emerging EV players because there were so many other EV players that came into the board. So then we look at the regulatory and safety concerns. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has been investigating Tesla's autopilots and full self-driving for dozens of cases. Next slide, please. So now we'll go down to the mitigation strategy. Under the mitigation strategy, we have the production and manufacturing solution. So Tesla took a route of vertical integration with a degree of vertical integration of approximately 80% of 2021, stated that Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory had achieved an annual production capacity of 450,000 vehicles as of 2021. Then we look at the technology and innovation approach. Tesla acquisition of Maxwell Technologies propelled its research and development of batteries technologies. We go down to the financial stability measures. Tesla also raised its capital strategically and diversified its source of revenue through its diversification into energy production and services. Under the market and competitive positioning, still under the mitigation strategies, we know that Tesla employed a direct to customer sales model, which helped them forgoing dealership network and allowing more control over the customer experience. Next slide, please. Then we look at the conclusion. So we know that Tesla has basically benefited from globalization by accessing a global supply chain. Tesla also used a hybrid approach that combines gradual expansion, aggressive scaling, and vertical integration for internalization to ensure efficiency and market dominance. Tesla has a complex set of challenges and opportunities in front of it that will or might ultimately be the determinant of long-term sources. The company's long-term sources will depend on whether it can leverage its establishment strengths in innovation and brand loyalty at its grabs. Next slide, please. And next slide, you get to see the references of every of our informations. Thank you so much. That's all.
Thank you.